Kia's full-size sedan offers a long list of standard and optional features along with the brand's signature value pricing and an unbeatable warranty. Its cabin is well built and comfortable, and the Cadenza is a rolling technology showcase, wrapping up the best of Kia's gear in one handsome package. Performance isn't show-stopping, but lap times aren't important when your only intention is to arrive with style. The Cadenza is all new for 2017 and marks Kia's sophomore effort for a full-size near-luxury car. Completely redesigned from bumper to bumper, the sharper Cadenza has a sleek interior and modern technologies such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available head-up display. The 3.3-liter V6 engine has been retuned for better fuel economy and pairs to a new 8-speed automatic transmission. For the first time, the Cadenza offers a full suite of active safety technology. The Cadenza's V6 engine is velvety and competent. The transmission could be refined, but the smart driving mode makes the most of the powertrain's capabilities. The revised 3.3-liter V6 makes 290 horsepower, 3 less than in the previous generation Cadenza, and while the engine itself is a smooth operator, initial throttle response is sleepy. This makes the Cadenza easy to drive around town without disturbing your passengers, but it requires a heavy foot for more immediate zip at stoplights. The 8-speed automatic is carefree. It's never quick to change gears, but it stumbles under heavy throttle, and with sport mode engaged, shifts feel abrupt. The transmission does feature a manual shifting mode that will hold the gear until the driver provides input. In addition to sport mode, the Cadenza has eco, comfort, and smart driving modes. Smart mode monitors your driving style and automatically switches between eco, sport, and comfort to provide the optimum balance between performance, fuel economy, and operation. If the EPA estimates are to be believed, the Cadenza's fuel economy lags behind rivals from Buick, Toyota, and Nissan. In our own research, however, we found the Cadenza efficient, and its cruising range was competitive with the class. We perform our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. The Cadenza's 18.5-gallon fuel tank and its impressive 31-mile-per-gallon highway test result give it a substantial cruising range of 570 miles.